This is Anders' first time to use a sippy cup. You got it upside down. Just do it this way, baby. Okay, try that. Okay, hold it. You just suck on it a little bit. Okay, lean back. You don't like it? Try it again. It's hard to film you and do this at the same time. Suck on it. Suck on it. It's a sippy cup. You have to suck on it. Drink from it. Here. Suck. You don't want to? You did it one time. You don't like the taste of water? That was good. That was a good start. All right, let's try it again. Good, that was it. Why do you not like water? You did it. You got it. You just don't like water? Okay, suck on it. There you go. All right, we'll work on it.